SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2022 offers some exciting new plots and the ability to analyze results across different projects. We're currently testing a new high-powered LED lamp for the Nemo submarine. This new lamp can run at 3 different brightness levels, giving users more options for different underwater environments. Running a transient analysis while switching the lamp through the different power settings will give us valuable information about how the lamp will cool down and heat up based on the external water temperature. The Transient Explorer is a powerful tool that allows us to visualize results throughout a transient analysis. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2022 can now display the flux plot in Transient Explorer, allowing us to get in-depth numerical results on how power is moving through this complex system. We can also now create a new equation goal after running the analysis that can process values of other calculated goals. Let's create a quick equation goal that'll compute the maximum temperature of all of the LEDs over the entire transient analysis. We've also ran several steady-state studies in a new experimental power mode, where each LED in the lamp can be set to a different power setting. These experiments can determine if there are optimal configurations that maximize brightness and minimize heat at the circuit board. Comparing results between projects is necessary to understand similarities and differences, but simply putting 2 plots side by side is not always helpful. A new merge option allows us to collect multiple results and highlight the overall maximum and minimum in one combined plot. The new difference plot allows us to create a plot that displays the differences from one project to a reference project. There's also a new results summary that tabulates analysis data, providing a high-level overview across multiple projects. The scene plot has also been updated to store model orientation, zoom, and part visibility. So creating that perfect scene will now also retain the display settings to view it perfectly every time, regardless of your current view state. SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation 2022 opens new doors on comprehending and communicating your results, whether you're running one validation study or searching for your next great design.